G'day, it's Daryl as a Service. It's another day in paradise here in New Zealand. I've seen a need to get some information out about how to use Outlook Mobile. There's not a lot available on the net. You do have to go into a help menu and check things out. And so I want to try and show people how to use it. There's some support articles around that show you a little, but not a lot. So I want to start creating a series on how to use Outlook Mobile, just going through a few things, but trying to bring some of the surroundings to give you an idea of practically where would you use this, what situations, why would you use it, why is mobile so important, because it's important to know why we use these features. So apart from that, today I'll be going into the city and catching up with a couple of contacts, trying to organise the first round of the user group for the Microsoft 365 Auckland user group with Alan Marshall, and also catching up with a friend trying to return his shirts. These are the ones that I borrowed back in going to Microsoft Ignite, my friend Peter Dennis, and he allowed me to bring them along, take his shirts on tour, and film them at bus stops to keep in theme with his what was it called, busshelterindex.com, his cool little blog there, or massive blog actually, of every shirt that he's got. Yeah, apart from that, finishing or continuing the day with creating a module for the Adopt and Embrace Academy, module 4, which is giving your people a voice. Give your people a voice, and that should be available within the week. So if you're checking out the Adopt and Embrace Academy and you're one of the first cohort that are able to join and to go through our adoption roadmap and start accessing our resources, then get stuck in. Daryl as a Service signing off. Next up, getting to the train station and probably filming that first Outlook Mobile tip from there. Catch you again.